All right, how we doing today? Frank Montoya and Victoria Carrazza. Okay, just remember those names. I wanted to do a quick video here that these two individuals last year, during the early years of the pandemic, these two individuals were charged at a Walmart, for not wearing a mask, number one. They were coughing on people at the Walmart, okay, at the employees, coughing on them. Then the police was called out and they fought with the police at this particular Walmart in Yuma, Arizona, okay? Yep, early 2020. Sorry though, that's a stalker right there. So as a result, these two individuals will serve 18 months. Time was already served of 115 days and a 3-year probation. Okay, so that's aggravated assault, and also that's third degree and assaulting a police officer. All right, actually, assaulting a police officer is a felony. That's like a class A felony that can get you probably like 6 to 10 years in jail. Okay, at least 5 years. All right, so they were lucky to be able to get 18 months in jail. Yeah, assaulting a police officer is a very serious offense. Excuse me. Let me tell you something about this coughing. I did a article about that on my Street Rat channel about an Uber coughing incident that happened. When did that incident happen? About, 6 months ago, right here in Las Vegas, where they had 3 ladies in the car, and the driver asked one of the young ladies to put the mask on, and she's all like, "Well, you don't trust me," and all that. It's like, and then tried to take the man's phone. Okay, and all 3 of those ladies were charged. Well, particularly the one that coughed on that driver, and she was banned for both Uber and Lyft. Okay, so with this so-called pandemic or whatever going on, this coughing stuff is serious. It's a serious offense. Okay, so it can land you in jail for intentionally coughing on somebody, in this type of climate. And you also have the flu and the common cold and everything else. Okay, in which right now that we are encountering, right now, the flu season as we speak. Excuse me. People just tend to forget all about that. All right, so this is a precautionary tale or whatever, that I think if you need to cough, you should turn your mouth to the side, or, it's not one of the things that you want to try to perform or try to commit if you're upset with somebody. All right, I mean, coughing on somebody is like pretty much like punching somebody in the face. All right, another cautionary tale here. Be mindful, be nice, respectful. All right, stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you guys listening. Peace.